Yeah, it's a beautiful unit from Amazon. I just actually cut some layers into it. She is 26 inches. She is a beautiful, beautiful color. Y'all know I've been getting into my blonde era. So this is how she looks. The lace is very nice. So we're going to go ahead and install her. And yeah, let's see how this comes out. This is how she looks without me doing anything to her. So yes, let's go ahead and install. All right, y'all, so gonna go ahead and glue it on. I gave y'all the information about the glue that I use. It's the boho in the pink. All right, ear to ear, y'all. So I'm just stretching it and I'm just laying this on. Go ahead and take my comb off and let this sit, and then we'll come back in a few. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the lace. And lace, I didn't pluck the... Go ahead and cut. So, here we have it. So, glue added. Now we're going to take our melting spray. I use the Eben. I like to pat it in. Let that sit. Cut some more layers. Curl our hair. I'm using the back and forth method, okay? So here we'll be going forward. So we're just going to curl this forward. So we're not going to go all the way to the top. Release it. Our curl's done, so I'm just going to take my triple freeze spray, spray it, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. All right, guys, so go ahead and plug this back up. I'm going to take a little bit of powder. I'm just going to pat it and take my bonnet off. Put 4 here. And realize that. I'm just going to give it a comb back. These are our layers. Make sure my... Okay. Super soft. Guys, like this video. Let me know if you're feeling this color. Turn the light so y'all can really see the color. Let me know, let me know. Bye. Y'all to get into these layers.